How to change language setting on Skout. Skout does not currently offer an in-app language change option. The app automatically uses the language of your device. So, to change the language on Skout, you will need to update your phone system language. Open the settings, then go to General, scroll down and tap Language and Region. Tap Add Language or select your preferred one. Set it as a primary or default language. It will restart or reopen the Skout app to apply the change. And here is the important note. Skout follows your device default language. Some language may not be fully supported in all regions. If the app does not change immediately, try updating it or restarting your phone. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.